व्हाट्स हैपनिंग पीपल। आज के एपिसोड में हमारे साथ है एक एनर्जी पावर हाउस, एक बॉलीवुड एडिक्ट एंड समवन हु मेक्स सुपर ऑफेंसिव रैंट्स ऑन अ बंच ऑफ स्टफ, होपफुली नॉट ऑन मी। वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट शो यशवी।
So this is the note that we actually started on. So he asked me on Twitter if I wanted to do this podcast with him, and I said yeah, but I'll offend you as well. And what was that other? Also a virtual coffee. Where's that?
वर्चुअल कॉफी। तो उसके बाद तूने शिफ्ट कर लिया था। ये भी बता दूं, मेरे को यशी ने बहुत बेटी दी है। पॉडकास्ट 10 दिन पहले हो जाना चाहिए था, बट 10 दिन बाद हो रहा है। और ये वहां पे उस घर के जहाँ पे तुम फोटो देख रहे हो, वहां पे मैं होता, तब होती कॉफी। अब कॉफी होती नहीं, अब सिर्फ पानी है।
That is what the influencer life is. People think it's very easy and you have all the time in the world. It's not like that. I don't have fake followers. I have a lot of work.
ये बात तो है। ट्रू दैट। तभी तो ऐसे बहुत बेटी हुई है। मेरे को अंकुर मेरे को 1.5 साल से बोल रहे हैं ऑफिस आ जाना, ऑफिस आ जाना, ऑफिस आ जाना। मैंने बोला ठीक है, अब तो मैं जा रहा हूँ दिल्ली से।
And
तो
we still online.
क्या
मैं कहा and we still doing it online in the end. इतने plans बना के मिलने के, लाइट कॉफी करने के, शाम को, रात को, दिन को।
कोई नहीं, हम एक बड़े इन्फ्लुएंसर बनेंगे, उसके बाद हम बोलेंगे यशी मैं मिलने आ रहा हूँ। फिर तू मना नहीं कर पाएगी।
क्लाउड के लिए कुछ भी सर।
तो सबसे पहले ये बताओ, इतनी एनर्जी आती कहाँ से?
शिलाजीत चाहिए?
Explain more. The audience wants to know what that means.
I don't know. Bollywood has a big impact on me. I was a single child since 9 years of age. My sister is very small. So I have always like school से आती थी, बस्ता फेंकती थी और टीवी देखती थी। ये मेरा रोज का रूटीन है। 2 बजे से लेकर 7 बजे तक टीवी चलता था। MTV आता था उस टाइम, वो 2 बिल्लियां आती थी अगली सी, और ऐसे पोटी जैसे दिखने वाले क्रिएचर्स जो बातें करते थे, वो देखती थी मैं। तो वो बहुत एनर्जेटिक होते थे, गाने कितने एनर्जेटिक होते थे। फिर रणवीर सिंह आया, मुझे पसंद आ गया वो। मैं कहा अगर इसको चाहिए, मतलब ये मांगता है जिंदगी में, तो इसी के जैसा बनने का है। तो देन वो एनर्जी आ गई यार अंदर से।
Got it. नहीं वो तो दिख ही
उल्टा
रहा है।
बोलने के बाद रियलाइज कर रही हूँ कि मैं कितना तेज बोलती हूँ। अब मेरे को थोड़ा स्लो डाउन होना पड़ेगा लाइफ में।
मैं बोलता हूँ मेरी स्पीड ऑफ, मेरे को लोग से बोलते रहते हैं भाई तू बोलता क्या है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तेरे को 0.75x पे चलाना पड़ेगा।
No, for me, I think this is what Reels has done. मेरी ना 30 seconds की Reels बहुत लेट आई थी. So I'm very used to 15 seconds का Reel. To sum up the entire thing जल्दी जल्दी ना, I have to speak fast. तो मेरे को आदत हो गई. Reels ना bloody.
मैं भी अभी काफी रील बना रहा हूँ, मेरा भी वही है। मेरे को भी एक दो कमेंट बोलते हैं भाई ट्रेन पकड़नी थी क्या? धीरे बोल ले।
No, I have got a lot of hate for speaking fast.
Hate has gonna hate. Alright, तो क्विक फायर राउंड एक है फन सा, ठीक है? आई हैव लाइक 8 to 9 क्वेश्चंस, तो बिल्कुल रुकना नहीं है। 2 सेकंड 3 सेकंड के अंदर आंसर करना, ठीक है? किल, मैरी, बिट्रे, कार्तिक आर्यन, वरुण धवन, आयुष्मान खुराना।
We playing coffee with Karan. Okay, kill, marry and betray.
कार्तिक आर्यन, वरुण धवन, आयुष्मान।
Varun Dhawan, Kartik Aaryan and Ayushmann Khurrana.
Correct.
Kill. Okay. Kill Varun Dhawan because Coolie number 1 is sick and I wasted my money on that to download that 4G. And kill Mary. Mary tha na? Ayushmann Khurrana is married. I can't marry him. What was the third option?
Betray.
So I'll betray Ayushmann Khurrana without dating him, because that is what happened. I have a relationship problem without being in a relationship. So I'll betray without being in a relationship. And Kartik Aaryan is the hookup guy. So yeah, it'll be fun.
मैरी पूछा था मैंने।
But I can't marry him na.
क्यों?
Because he's a hookup kind of a guy. And if you want to go by Karan Johar laws, then I have to hook up with one. So I'd rather hook up and create a controversy and get some followers.
The original question was kill, marry, hook up only, but मैंने 2 बार पूछ रखा है और लोग बाद में बोलते हैं इसको काट देना। तो मैंने डाला ही नहीं फिर इस बार। Right. Instagram or YouTube?
Instagram.
Quality you hate in people.
Quality disloyal होना.
Favorite food?
पाव भाजी.
बंदे का नाम?
किसका नाम?
बंदे का नाम।
कि कौन सा बंदा? कौन सा वाला?
कौन सा वाला?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Got it. Goals you haven't been able to achieve, चाहे तो कुछ भी कर ले.
Fitness. I've not been able to lose weight this entire quarantine. बहुत वर्कआउट किया, then दिवाली आ गई. Then Ferrero Rocher had to hide it from mom ताकि किसी और को गिफ्ट ना कर.
सब बराबर हो गया. Most unproductive and productive habit?
Most productive habit, I can make 6 videos in a day if it's summer. Most unproductive habit, I can't make a 6 minute video also when it's winters. Winters is sick in Delhi. I hate it.
I know.
Also
10 बजे से
waking
पहले
up
मैं
late.
उठ ही नहीं पाता. Same.
Very.
Got it. 1 million subscribers or $5 million?
$5 million, then I'll buy 1 million subscribers. If I have money, if you've got money in life, you can do anything.
अब
You can buy
35 करोड़
followers.
मिल गए. True. A pickup line you use a lot.
I don't have to use the best pickup line I have is that why aren't you using a pickup line on me, because I don't have to use pickup lines. Like बहुत देर हो गई यार, तूने कुछ बोला नहीं, अब बोल दे क्योंकि तुझे पता है मैं तो बोलने नहीं वाली. Why do I have to use a pickup line? I don't have to use it. I
अच्छा,
love
सबसे
using it.
क्रिंजी या सबसे ये क्या था पिकअप लाइन जो तुझ पे लोगों ने मारी है?
That menu wala na, me and you are together on the menu करके. There's some shady lines, very shady lines. I'm very bad with it. I'm not Sukriti, come on. I don't know pickup lines.
True
I
that.
can't lines.
Weirdest fan interaction.
Weirdest fan interaction. There was this one girl in Delhi Heart who asked me to sign on her hand. But then later on, she told me your handwriting is not as pretty as I thought it would be. So I was a little offended by it. I wanted to take out my thuk and rub that autograph. Like, yeah, मेरी गंदी है तो फिर हटा दे. Why do you want to diss me?
ये तो अलग ही था.
It was so
Yeah.
difficult for me to find the pen in the Delhi Art यार. ऊपर से I signed, she was like, बोलू आपकी हैंडराइटिंग इतनी अच्छी है नहीं जितनी मैंने सोची थी. लाइक हाँ, डॉक्टर बनने वाली हूँ मैं.
इससे याद है, थंबनेल तो मेरा बन गया है. हुकअप, तेरी फोटो, उसके पीछे है रणवीर कपूर, जो भी 3 लोग के नाम दिए थे. किसके साथ हुकअप करेगी यश्मी? क्वेश्चन मार्क. वॉच फुल वीडियो.
रियलिटी कुछ नहीं मिलना है सर, सिर्फ क्लाउड ही मिलना है. कोई नहीं मिलेगा.
उसी बहाने सब्सक्राइबर्स ही मिलते हैं, क्या बुरा है. तो when did you start creating content?
I started creating content in June, but that time I made it on TikTok because I saw a lot of people were booming in this. So I started making TikTok videos, but not on other people's audios or music. I put like Punjabi lines on it, and then people use those audios. So I gained a certain audience, then TikTok band ho gaya. So around August and September, I started doing it on Instagram as well. But the TikTok wala to post kari rahi thi. Then I genuinely started total full-time Instagram, I think in September. So yeah.
कितना कब डिसाइड किया लाइक कि दिस इज समथिंग यू वांट टू डू लाइक फुल टाइम या एज अ क्रिएटर?
So I had my exams बीच में, I think September, October आता है ना September को. हाँ, October में मेरे पेपर थे and posted very irregularly. So there were a lot of DMs that are flooded कि आप कंटेंट क्यों नहीं डाल रहे हो, आप करके कंटेंट के लिए मर रहे हैं, भूखे हैं, कंटेंट दो. So I started realizing that बॉयफ्रेंड से तो कभी लाइफ में इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस मिली नहीं जितनी मुझे फैन से मिल रही है. So I was like, why not do this? Then I decided, okay, now people are actually making me feel important and it's important for me to give them back. Then I started making videos and it's responded well. Like I didn't know that the social media industry has this big money. Like now I'm very hungry and greedy for the money as well as the importance. So I decided, let's do this.
पैसा ही पैसा, 25 दिन में पैसा डबल. यशी के लिए 25 दिन में हो रहे हैं पैसे
That
डबल.
is not false when it comes to social media. 25 दिन में genuinely पैसा डबल.
तभी तो बोल रहा हूँ. तो एंड गोल क्या है? फिल्म्स में जाना है, मूवीज में जाना है, क्या करना है?
यार मैं ना YouTube शुरू किया था 12th के बाद and it was a fashion YouTuber because fashion sense होगी. और लड़की यौन तब यही था कि जो फैशन में घुस गई, जिसने सरोजनी हॉल कर दिया ना, वो सुपरस्टार है. तो I did that, but my YouTube was a big, yeah, but बेटी, YouTube की बेटी. So but that was a big fail because it was something that everybody was, plus it was turning into so much cringe क्योंकि same वही background में अंग्रेजी गाने चल के वही कपड़े आके दिखाते रहो. I started feeling cringe out of it, so I became very inconsistent. So I was like, shit man, I failed YouTuber. I've never failed at anything in life, not one subject. I always did a topper, science, सबसे भाव मिला है, सुंदर लड़की, सर्वगुण संपन्न. So I was like, how can I not do YouTube? So my end goal is I'll gain a lot of followers on Instagram and then I'll divert to YouTube. And then I'll start doing YouTube, and YouTube has a beautiful AdSense, man. People are earning like lakh out of it for just posting like 6 to 7 videos a month. So then I'll do that full time. So I think movies is a lot of more exploitation and dark areas, but YouTube is fun. I'll do YouTube.
कब
I
start
can
करना? I
do
think you have
Bollywood. I can do Punjabi movies. Lot of money and clean.
got it. How long do you think it will take?
For me to reach there, see,
नहीं,
2 years I've
YouTube
got college. 2 years I've got my college. Then I'm shifting, like planning to shift to Bombay for like at least a year or
Wow.
two of exposure. Let's see how
Hmm.
that works. Then, so 2 years to hai big gap between me and Bollywood and whatever. But yeah, let's take 3 years. 3 years
2
on
साल का
the
कॉलेज बचा है
larger.
अभी.
Yeah, I've got 2 years of college. I've got one full entire year and 1 year of internships. So like 2 years.
सही है. फिर तो you have good amount of time. तो
Yeah,
कॉलेज लाइफ
ample
के
time.
बारे में बताओ.
College life has been amazing. मतलब I've not been that person जिसको ना अलग से flat चाहिए हो जिंदगी में to have a आजादी. Like my parents are very chill with everything. ठीक है, I can tell them everything, anything. And my friends have been
अच्छा.
as good as ever. My fame, मतलब even when I'll have like 1 million followers, they'll still be like, कितना makeup लगाया है आज under my pictures. ठीक है, people will tell me you're so beautiful. They'll be like, आज 1 kg makeup हो गया तेरा, ये तू तो है ही नहीं. It's the same
I know.
forever.
Yeah.
क्रीपी एकदम उनसे बात करोगे ना तो ऐसा लगेगा गली के लौंडे उठा के ले आए हैं और गली के वो नंगे बच्चे जो टायर से घुमाते हैं ना दैट कैटेगरी एंड आई कंप्लीटली एडजस्टेड टू इट फिट इनटू दैट इज वेयर माय मीम्स कम फ्रॉम तो बड़े अच्छे दोस्त हैं मेरे बिल्कुल मेरी तरह गवार लवली
कुछ टॉक्सिक बताओ, कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल बताओ about कॉलेज लाइफ. मेरे कॉलेज में तो
कुछ
बहुत कंट्रोवर्शियल चीजें हो रही है.
I
अपने बारे में
the
बताओ.
only thing I've not talked about on like
हम्म.
social media which I can give you content for you paying me for it later right
हाँ हाँ,
I
मैं
never
पेटीएम
revealed
करूंगा.
I never revealed any of the platforms. So I was only in one. Like I don't know why people get this play girl vibe out of me. They think I'm a player and I'm very interested into everyone. I'm not. I'm very bahu material. So I've only had one relationship in my entire life. 6 years
Wow.
long from 8th standard to I think for 1.5 years of college की starting. And I've been very open about it. I hope सबको पता था. It was totally like अच्छा अब बेटी अब भी आ गई है हमारी. Everything was done. And then a lot of fights, it became toxic. Then there's this other entry of another girl, and so that has been one toxic
Hashtag
phase of my
Bollywood.
life. Yeah, hashtag Bollywood. It was pretty much like that. And but I couldn't believe for a moment that it's all actually ended at some point because I was like in the head you guys are already married, okay? Everybody in the worst thing was that we had to go back home and tell these people that now it's over. For us to believe it was fine, for them to believe it was like क्या 6 साल बाद भी खत्म होता है हमें लगता है रोका होता था अभी खत्म हो गया like हाँ so they're like okay. But the reasons I gave are pretty much valid for them to accept the fact that okay, she's made a good choice. But I'm happy, yaar. I mean, that boy is with 800 fake followers and 80 likes, and I'm doing pretty well in life. He's still the closest.
इसमें थग लाइफ वाला चश्मा और एक सिगरेट आएगी. ना 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 ना.
But boring that we do not support cigarettes in anyhow. Like,
मैं तो फूकता नहीं, मैंने तो ऐसे ही बोल दिया.
yeah, don't drink. Yeah, my ex did. He smoked, he drank, he failed. He did all the worst things you could do in life. Typical Bollywood.
I'll DM him this section of the podcast just for some guilt.
Funny.
I think
Classic.
you have a lot of confidence now. Like when you see कोई तुम्हारे Instagram profile में आएगा and see इतना सारा confidence, इतना like openly you talk and you crack jokes and you're not you don't really worry about कि ये दूसरा बंदा क्या सोच रहा है, right? And that वो थोड़े लोगों को लगता है कि यार ये इतना क्या खुल रही है, जरूर लीगल होगी या उस टाइप का फिर वो वाइब देता है. बट वो ठीक है, उनकी प्रॉब्लम है, उनको भी
No, I'll tell you a fact. Confidence never comes out of being a player. Confidence always comes out of you being dumped at some point in life. Understand this. Deepika Padukone would have never gained confidence if Ranbir Kapoor never dumped her. She only became that once she was out of the shell. Like a cycle.
बट वो तो डिप्रेशन में गई थी.
Have you been dumped? No, come on, yeah, depression.
I have not been dumped.
You've not been dumped? You've been cheated?
No.
Cheated / no? You've been in a relationship or not?
I have been in 4 relationships.
4?
Yeah.
सालो तुम्हारी चांद तारे खाने की उम्र है, पीछे बन्नों की दुकान से जाके तुम क्या 4 रिलेशनशिप. कितनी उम्र है तुम्हारी?
मैं 21 हूँ, मेरे कॉलेज अभी खत्म हुआ.
So I'm turning 31st of January 2021, 2000 born is there, and look at you. How I feel the peer pressure of hitting just right.
ये सेक्शन कट हो जाएगा ये नहीं आएगा
No,
वापस।
no, it's fun.
अरे मेरा मेरा पहला वाला मेरी पहली रिलेशनशिप थी क्लास 6th में।
Okay, the one
हाँ
that the teacher made it with, and then you realize that they are your soulmate.
नहीं नहीं
That one.
मेरे को ऐसे ही मतलब टीचर्स भी मेरे को एक्चुअली उसने टीचर से डांट पड़वाई थी। लाइक शी लिटरली कंप्लेन टू द टीचर। मेरे को उस दिन बहुत मार पड़ी थी एंड मैं पूरे 3 पीरियड्स होते थे ना, तो मैं 3 पीरियड्स बाहर ऐसे कान पकड़ के खड़ा हुआ था। और फिर कुछ 3 महीने बाद मैंने उसी को प्रपोज किया, उसने हाँ बोल दिया था।
Because she found you outstanding.
लॉल। हाँ बट वो 3-4 महीने में ही खत्म हो गया। तो हमारी अधूरी कहानी।
हमारी अधूरी कहानी। That girl, if you're watching this, please go and complain to that teacher again and tell her sorry. He was an outstanding guy and I didn't feel for him.
मैं नहीं बोल सकता ना, मेरे 60,000 फॉलोअर्स इतने लाइक्स आ रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए उतना मेरे लिए उतना टैंक नहीं था, बट ठीक है।
What is your goal on social media? You want to be a full-time YouTuber? You look like a gaming streamer. Why do you want to do a podcast?
I look like a gaming streamer. Wow.
You look like Hydra Flick का छोटा भाई.
किसका छोटा भाई?
Hydra Flick.
अच्छा यार, मैं ना गेम्स पहले बहुत एडिक्ट था। लाइक क्लास 9th में वो WWE12 और GTA नहीं चलता, तो उस समय मैंने सिर्फ PS3 खरीदा था पापा से जिद करके क्लास 9th में, ताकि मैं सिर्फ GTA 5 खेल पाऊँ। एंड वो पीरियड 9th 10th में मैंने इतने गेम खेले कि 11th 12th में फिर उसके बाद मैंने छोड़ दिया पढ़ाई के चक्कर में। फिर कॉलेज यहाँ दिल्ली शिफ्ट हो गए, उसके बाद वो फिर छूट ही गया। यहाँ के सबसे पहले PS3 बेच दिया मैंने 8,000 में। मेरे को याद है, एक बच्चा था छोटा सा, उसको मैंने बेच दिया। तो मेरा गेमिंग से वो छूट गया। एंड
भी करोगे तुम बैठ के? हम तो बेवड़े हो गए। तुम भी गेम में खेलो बैठ के, अपने माँ बाप के कान भर दो GTA की गालियां।
अरे नहीं यार, मतलब फिर अब गेम में नहीं आ सकते। पहले एक तो बन जाए, YouTube तो चल जाए पहले, उसके बाद गेमिंग चैनल बनेंगे। एक चल नहीं रहा है, दूसरा चैनल क्या करें?
मैं आ गई ना, अब सब चल, घर में लक्ष्मी आ गई है ना।
हाँ, अब यशवी बागा, यशवी देश, यशवी दाश, यशवी दाश सारे टैग्स डाल दूंगा।
बागा is not my surname.
बग्गा सॉरी, यशवी बग्गा। ऐसे कम से कम 10 टैग्स डालूंगा। जैसे ही तेरा चैनल शॉर्ट अप करेगा, मेरा रिकमेंडेशन में आने लग जाएगा।
यश बे ये Insta is already blocked.
इंस्टाग्राम पे तो नहीं डालूंगा, बट उसमें टैग्स वैग्स भी नहीं है। पॉडकास्ट वाले में डालूंगा। और बताओ, how do you feel like 70,000 attention like वैसे 60 के लिखा है स्क्रिप्ट में, बट 10 दिन में 70,000 हो गए।
See that event now today is going to be 74K.
Exactly.
That is super easy. If you be consistent, if you put good hashtags, and if you've got good quantity and originality in your content, it's super duper easy. YouTube, on the other hand, is too difficult. But what I think is the fame that you get on YouTube is the real fame. Like Insta, I think 500K is equal to 100K subscribers on YouTube. YouTube wale fans are too loyal. Like if you compare Ria Gogoi and right, she's got less followers than me, but if you look at her likes and comment section, that's more flooded than mine is. So the YouTube family is not too loyal. But having 70,000 people in there, it feels nice. The only part I regret is that why don't I get all those 70,000 people to like my picture? Why do I have only 10 to 11,000 likes on my picture? I feel bad about it. I feel like there's a maximum community that doesn't like my face in the picture. Why aren't you guys liking it? But it's nice.
यार वो तो algorithm का है ना, like average engagement of like a influencer celebrity is like 6% 7%, क्योंकि सबको दिखता भी नहीं ना। if you are like 70
ज्यादा जलता है मजनू मेरे से। like fine whatever.
what do you think has changed like post like जब तो 2-3 हजार फॉलोअर्स में थी और अब तो 70,000 फॉलोअर्स में, क्या बदला है in like in attitude, state of mind?
I get good replies from Bluetix. I get Bluetix to follow me. I get some super nice talent agency management people to talk to me, to tell me that I've got some potential that they spotted and I'm going to make it to the industry. So it's like good, yeah. I get like
validation.
When I was like happy on compliments like you're pretty and you're beautiful and you're cute. Once I'm mature now, I feel this, that you've got potential to kill is the best compliment you could ever give me. So that is how it's evolved. It's lovely. That tension.
you do have potential to kill. So मैं वेदांत से बात कर रहा था, मैंने वेदांत में पॉडकास्ट में देखा, मैं भी बुलाऊंगा, मैंने वेदांत को बोला कि इसको मैं बुलाऊंगा, मैंने हाँ बुला ले, ज्यादा बड़ी होगी तो फिर नखरे करेगी.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Promised, I've told him कि मैं जितनी भी बड़ी होंगी लाइफ में तुझे हमेशा ऑटोग्राफ दूंगी जब भी मांगेगा. Because when I was 5,000 ना, you know, my and his story is like I was in 5,000 followers and me and Sukriti would do a prank call live. So Sukriti gave me Dan's number and she was like, इस लड़के का ना अभी breakup हुआ है, so let's just call him and tell him that you know I've got a girl for you, and that Sukriti wanted to be that girl. That I should tell Vedant that I've got a girl for you and Sukriti be that girl. Sukriti is a super chat flirt. So I was like, fine, I have no problem doing that. So I just Vedant just picked up the phone and he was like, who is it? I was like, sir, आपका मैंने सुना है आपका अभी breakup हुआ है, हमारे पास आपके लिए dream girl है. And he just kept the phone. He was so rude. And later on, Sukriti told me that he's got offended because the number that we called on was his private number. Like he's got two numbers, one is a business and one is a private. So that is one number that he does not share with anybody. But Sukriti gave that to me. So Sukriti told me to text him a big sorry message stating that I have deleted that number and I do not have it. So that is how me and Vedant first had a conversation. And then a few months, 3 or 4 months later, he texted me from his main ID and then told Sukriti to tell me to open that text because my DMs were flooded. So I opened that text and the first thing that we noticed was that his private wale account ka DM was already open, but both of us forgot that we had an interaction before. So he was like, I wanted to call podcast, but then we bonded so well that he was like, once I come to Delhi only, then we'll do a in real live wala podcast. So I was like, fine. Oh, but I promised him that because you spotted my potential pretty quick at 5 to 6K, I'm always going to give you an autograph in life.
Got it. Hey, Vedant has that two sides. एक उसका रूट साइड तो पक्का है, and एक there is a very sweet वो मेरठ वाला साइड जो होता है ना, वो है. तो मैं अभी इसके घर में
गया था. He's got one London side. He's evolved both of them into him.
हाँ.
Back to
ये 60 के 70 कैसे चल रहा था. तो what do you think about the industry? Like industry में जो like maybe जो 200,000 followers में या 500,000 followers में, or maybe the agency people. How is the industry? What is your experience? What has your experience been like with dealing with them and all that?
I think first of all, the first point that comes in my mind when I think of people who've got a lot of followers is that they're earning bomb. They're earning super bomb. Secondly, what I feel is that once or twice in a life, I think they've copied somebody's content who's made it originally. Some small creator. I've seen 2 or 3 people who are working with some what do you call it, talent firms who like make videos, copy videos from small creators. So I think once or twice, you know, हो नहीं सकता है ऐसा कि लाइफ में तुम हमेशा कंटेंट बना रहे हो और तुम्हारे दिमाग में नए नए आइडियाज आए जा रहे हैं. कभी ना कभी उनके पास शॉर्टेज हुई होगी और उन्होंने किसी छोटे का कंटेंट उठाया होगा. दिस इज द डार्क साइड of the influencer industry right now that I faced. So there was this happened with me as well. There was this one girl from Amity. I made a video on Amity. And within 2 days, she copied the exact same script video. एकदम जिस order में बोला, same order में. So I was like, बेवकूफ औरत order ही change कर लेती. And the pitch that she gave was, I made a video on Amity because I was from Amity. I'm like, you from Amity since 1 year. Now that I have made a video, within 2 days, you got an idea to make the Amity video. There was a big fight. I just put 2 stories justifying myself, giving reasons why I think she copied. And she put bloody 20 to 30 stories explaining the entire thing. And high five शुक्ला सर, हमारे आज 70 है और वो अभी भी 30 पे ही है. भगवान. So yeah, that is the toxic
social media
part.
karma.
I think the other toxic thing that I've heard, I've not yet experienced, is that there'll be a downfall. ये मैंने वेदांत से भी पूछा था, that came into his life also. He said that once you reach 100K, 200K, there's going to be some point that there's going to be a downfall. And people are not going to appreciate you or your content as much as they used to do it. So he said you'll have a downfall. And I was like, I'm prepared for it. He's like, you're not. You're going to have days when you're going to cry for attention. You'll be like, there was a time I used to get it and now I don't. So I have not faced it, but that is a part of the dark side as well. And I don't want to face it. I hope it never comes. Mata Rani, मैंने आपके कंगन पहन रखे हैं, but I think they'll that's the point somewhere down the line. So
ये वेदांत बता रहा था.
Yeah. He said there's a graph that goes up and then there's one point that it also comes down. I'm like, shut up. Can I go and see who this person is? है ना? Wait for 2 minutes.
सब्जी फेंकना उसके ऊपर। दिस इज सो रिलेटेबल। वो जो पीछे से बोल रहे सब्जी ये लो वाला बोलो ये ले लो, यहाँ पे 10 मिनट पहले यही हो रहा था।
You know the difference between Bollywood and reality is Bollywood में they like आलू ले लो, कांदे ले लो, सुबह से ना एक आलू भी खाना आधा कांदा. You look at this सब्जी वाला, he told me, do you want सब्जी? I was like, no. He said, सुबह से ना सारी बेच चुका हूँ, इतनी अच्छी आई हैं. In Bollywood they'll tell you कि नहीं बिका, इधर they'll tell you बिक गया, फिर भी तुम लो. But नहीं चाहिए भैया.
और इवन द एक्सेंट मेरे को कभी समझ में नहीं आता है, कभी नहीं। मैं सो रहा रहता हूँ और कुछ भी रैंडम आओ या यू या ये यो, मैं बोला भाई क्या ले लो।
I'm gonna make a reel on this.
हाँ गुड आइडिया, बना लो। नहीं हाँ, तू टॉक्सिक साइड बता रही थी, वो वेदांत वाला तूने बता दिया।
This is also a part of the toxic side. I think the other toxic side is exploitation. There'll be a point that you won't get enough collabs, and that point you'll have to accept collabs for lesser money. So there'll be a certain state of exploitation for you as well. Like, you know, when I started doing this, I had zero idea about how much money to take, or it had this much potential to earn. So, you know, at a point where I should have charged 8 to 9K for a video, I just charged 2K. And I was happy. Because, you know, nobody in our family has ever been into something like this, and they appreciated it. They was like, 2K भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. आजकल तो कोई किसी को 10 रुपए के फन फ्लिप्स भी फ्री नहीं देता. You're getting paid to promote a, you know, bloody soap. So I was like, see, I got potential. So that point I was just proving myself probably. So I didn't have knowledge of the market. But I think once I connected to people from the talent management agencies and I asked them, was this quotation fine? They actually guided me through it. I mean, even if we consider Monk, I had a conversation with Jalak where I was actually being underpaid, and she told me to charge more. She was like, with this sort of a reach, I sent her the insights, and she was very frank about it. She was like, even if it's for our company, with this sort of a reach, you should charge more. So they've been very nice to me, all of them. The other people that say that talent management exploits you, or, you know, charges the 20% out of your 100, I think that's bullshit. They actually guide you through it because you have zero knowledge. So अच्छे लोग हैं हर सारे. There's also a good side apart from the toxic one. At some point I become so besharam with the contacts. You know, when I came into this, my purpose was not to earn money or, you know, get famous. My purpose was to make connects, because as a Delhi person, you know, these Delhi girls, now we go out into events and all of these things to connect with new people. So my motive was to connect with good blue ticks. So a few days back, I was talking to Raj Shamani Jadugar wala, and I've become so besharam as an influencer. I was just went up to me, I was like, now you're my friend. I was like, yeah. I said, now I made also a video on Sindhi. He's like, yeah, you've attacked my family. So like, why don't you give me a collab for Jadugar, yaar? You know, I've become that level of besharam.
नहीं सही है यार, मतलब ये एक लगता है कि यार, मतलब एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आर आल्सो, यू नो, लोग ही तो हैं, दोस्त जैसे ही होते हैं। तो राज तो वैसे ही है, मतलब राज इज आल्सो सुपर।
I feel like I can be my own talent management agency at some point in life. I pitch myself carelessly.
नहीं वो तो अभी भी है। राइट। और एक तो व्हाट इज योर फेवरेट ब्रांड डील अभी तक के, जिसको तुमको फक ऐसी भी ब्रांड डील्स होती है, इतना बढ़िया मजा आ गया उस टाइम।
There was this one Apple ka store that was opening in Karnal, and there was this one more place, I don't know, भूल गई मैं उस जगह का नाम. They paid me bomb to make a 1 minute ka video, and all I had to do in that video was to act like a South Delhi girl who's going to purchase the new iPhone 12. That was it. I just had to do that, and I can do that very well. You know, मेरे लिए that's thing for me. I can do that चलते फिरते, ठीक है, ये acting natural निकलती है, बस 2 बार भाया 20 rupees के मोमोज और iPhone बोलना होता है बस. And they paid me for it. I was like, मम्मी देख रहे हो जिंदगी में क्या क्या हो रहा है. मेरी मम्मी बस इसलिए खुश है यार, क्योंकि once I started receiving the payments ना, they don't have to pay for the Amazon वाले जो नीचे आके घंटी बजाते. That is super sick. घर में नहीं होता यार कैश, पेटीएम वो आधी बार लेते नहीं है. So now I order prepaid stuff. That is a sukh in the life. So I keep doing this.
घंटी बजा के दरवाजा खोलते हुए मम्मी को देखते हुए, मम्मी.
But at the real price, they're gonna sue you for it. They're gonna push you out of the house. Always tell them 2-300.
मैं पैसे पे बात करी लड़की, तुम्हारा बैंक अकाउंट आज से हमारे पास, हम पैसे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, तुम्हें पॉकेट मनी मिलेगी तुम्हारी सैलरी से ही.
हट. ये नहीं हो सकता. Told you I've never had those parent problems. Mine have been luckily very nice. They I got a credit card when I was in 11th. I've been an influencer ever.
I still don't have a credit card.
No, I forced my papa to give me a credit card because मुझे Shein से shopping करनी होती थी. And you know, girls were crazy for Shein. I discovered Sarojini very late actually. I discovered Sarojini very late. So I was like, मुझे Shein से shopping करनी होती है. You guys don't give me your card. Half the times I don't know what pin to put. कभी गलत information डाल दूंगी तुम्हारे बैंक से ना सारा पैसा निकल जाएगा. So I scared them into getting me my own credit card so that their credit cards don't get hacked. So that is why.
सही है. So how was your growth trajectory?
My growth trajectory, it's been full of up and downs. Yeah, there've been times when I have had I found the way for why do I fumble on long words?
Inconsistency.
So, you know what happened? There are times when you don't have topics, like you have topics in your head, but you don't know how to execute them. Okay. So, what now I have learned is that whenever I have a topic in my head, but I don't know how to script it, I put a story about it. Then, you know, you guys, because you guys want to watch my content, you got to help me script it. So, I put this story that what are the things that Sindhi people hear. So, they're like these 200, 300 Sindhi people sending me comments what they've heard, and I make a video out of it. So, that is why it's so, because they tell me what they've heard. So that they can relate with what I make. Another thing that I thought was initially मैंने सिर्फ पंजाबी बना रही थी, so I only got Punjabi crowd. After a certain time, I realized I need to focus on the teenage crowd because my videos don't have galis. Okay, so they're very family friendly, and I wanted the younger crowd to get into it first. So I thought that क्यों नहीं school पे videos बनाते, because schools and colleges were the only things that the kids were missing at that point in time in quarantine. ठीक है? तो मेरे भी दोस्त अलग अलग स्कूल के थे. I gathered them up. I said अपने स्कूल के बारे में मुझे चीजें बता दो. Then I started scripting that up, and I made only school rap. ठीक है? I made it on Spring, on DPS RK Puram, on DPS Dwarka, on DPS सबका बना दिया. बाल भारती वगैरह सब. DPS वाले की नहीं, जो बाल भारती वाले DPS वालों से लड़ रहे हैं. मतलब ऐसी बातें चल रही थी उस पे. और क्या क्राउड आता था भाई. एक पूरा का पूरा स्कूल उठ के मेरे को फॉलो कर देता था एक दिन में. That was a lot of teenage.
I like this hack.
स्कूल कॉलेज पे शिफ्ट करते हैं, कॉलेजेस से प्रोफेशंस पे शिफ्ट करते हैं. So it was like I was gaining every age group with every video.
Beauty with
that
brains.
Is how I Yeah, but now I can't make the school and college memes. Now people won't find it relatable because now there's a bigger crowd. They want bigger topics.
मैं पूछने वाला था, what do you think?
On Valentine's Day ना एक वीडियो on बजरंग दल community.
हाँ, नहीं मैं भी पूछ रहा था what has worked for you. तूने वही बता दिया. ये काफी ये तेरा USP plus UGC था. So extremely relatable, extremely true. वरना लोग खुद सोचते हैं ऐसा होता होगा तो ऐसा बना लेते हैं. So you got deep into it.
कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं होती, कोई एक दिन में बूम मार जाता है, फेमस हो जाता है. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. पीपल एक्चुअली डू सिट एंड प्लान दीस थिंग्स. एटलीस्ट आई डू. मतलब जो दादी वाले वीडियोस भी है ना, यू नो माय मेन मोटिव टू मेक दोस वीडियोस इज दैट ब्लू टिक पीपल नोटिस मी. They notice that a person like me exists who's got brilliant content. so then they're like good type of brands telling me that I got good videos, that I got hire me na pitching. That is the strategy.
काफी smart. This is something ये मैंने नहीं सोचा था. Good ideas. Hate कैसा मिल रहा है? Hate कैसा मिल रहा है? How do you think? Like मेरे को तो hate मिल रहा है. मेरे 3000 फॉलोअर्स में मुझे hate मिल रहा है. तुझे कितना मिल रहा है?
hate लॉजिकल. यू नो द फैक्ट दैट इंडिया में अभी भी लोग इतने इंटेलेक्चुअल नहीं हुए ना कि वो ह्यूमर को अब्सॉर्ब कर सके. दैट इज सिक. So when this comedian gets arrested, I know why he did get in there in that situation, because the environment is not as intellectual to understand that offensive memes are also memes. That is what my Twitter says, that you have to take things lightly in life. You sit in your friends and you joke about somebody. You joke about a community. You say कि अच्छा ये बनिया कंजूस होगा. But as soon as you say that on a public platform, people get offended. How can you call a बनिया कंजूस? अरे तुम दोस्तों के साथ बोलते थे तब कुछ नहीं. So that, you know, it's very illogical hate. Now, what I did was, now that we're talking of Doraemon, and I told you, I'll tell you that you look like Nobita when we talk of Doraemon. So we started that topic. There was this one video I made on Doraemon where I told कि मम्मी पापा बचपन में कहते थे कि शिनचैन मत देखो वो बिगड़ा हुआ है. But on the other hand, they promoted कि Doraemon देख लो वो तो अच्छा लड़का है. But we never realized that Doraemon जब नोबिता को anywhere डोर देता था तो वो वेकेशन के लिए कहीं भी जा सकता था. पर वो डोर खोलता था और शिजुका के बाथरूम में जाता था जब वो नहा रही होती थी. So how do you tell us that what is right? Yeah, we as did not understand what meant when he opened the door and there was steam coming out और यहाँ से blush करता था वो. We did not understand that, but now that we do, I raised an objection on it. You know, why do you show this on shows? And people get offended on it कि तू डोरेमोन कैसे कैसे कैसे. I was like कि मैंने सिर्फ इतना बोला उसके बाद कि you know डोरेमोन की engineering college, because you see the boys to the girls ratio, there was only one girl and there were like 4-5 boys. So like engineering college है क्या कि डोरेमोन है. उस पे ऑफेंड हो गए. डोरेमोन हमारे बचपन का प्यार है. There was this one fan page जो एक 8 साल और एक 12 साल की लड़की चला रही थी और उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया that if you don't delete this video, we're gonna put a case on you. I was like 8 or 12 years के बच्चे मुझे साइबर बुली कर रहे हैं for making a rant on a fictional character. तुम्हारे ताई का बेटा है वो. So it is illogical यार. I make fun of hate. मुझे पता है उस हेट से कुछ नहीं हो सकता. वो लोग तुम्हें आके गालियां देंगे, वो बोल तुम पे केस कर देंगे, हम तुम पे डिफेमेशन डालेंगे, कुछ नहीं करेंगे. करली ना मेरे पास टाइम है. मैं हंसती हूँ यार हेट पढ़ के. मेरे दोस्त मेरे को मेरे हेट के स्क्रीनशॉट भेजते हैं. मेरी मम्मी मुझे हेट के स्क्रीनशॉट भेज के कहती है व्हाट इज ही ट्राइंग टू डू. I was like trying to gain attention, mom. Do not like that comment. This is what happens on our WhatsApp wala group. So it's very chill. It's super chill with me.
नहीं वो तो नहीं. एक मैंने इलॉन मस्क पे रील बनाई थी जो वायरल चली गई. वो भी 270K पे है. ठीक है. तो इसमें आई थिंक 200 कमेंट्स है. 200 कमेंट्स में से 100 लोगों ने ये लिखा है तेरे को पता है था तो इलॉन मस्क क्यों नहीं बन गया.
Okay, that happened with my YouTube as well. I made this video on my dadi reacting to Kylie Jenner's pictures. Now, if you make your dadi react to Kylie Jenner का picture, जो छोटे से छोटे कपड़े पहनती है और मुंह से भी बड़े ग्लासेस पहनती है, obviously your दादी और नानी is gonna put an orthodox objection कि ऐसे कपड़े कुड़ियां किद्दां पहन लेंदी है. That is a very general thing that comes out of the mouth पहले ही. ठीक है. Now, if I script it, people will say it's not organic. And now that it's organic, they're like पहले खुद काइली बन जाओ फिर उस पे कमेंट करियो. Girls can wear whatever they want to wear.
I know.
There's a comment below that you no there's below that's triggering other people telling कि इनके जैसे लोग होते हैं जिनकी वजह से रेप होते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि कपड़े छोटे क्यों पहने. I was like, are you kidding me? We're not saying that she can't wear that. I'm just giving my dadi's orthodox opinion because they belong to a society where it was a taboo to wear that sort of clothes. And it's only for fun purpose, but people don't get it. They try to create hate and controversy and trigger other people in the comment section. I'm like, fine, engagement बढ़ रही है, जो करना है करते रहो.
I know.
Like, good. Thank you.
Got it. So, what is your weakness? क्या कमजोरी है आपकी?
आपको बताऊंगी तो आप उसका फायदा उठा लेंगे सर.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं तो बहुत भोला भाला बच्चा हूँ.
I don't take advantage. I have two big kamzoris. One is that I make memes, so there are times when people stop taking me seriously. They're like, अच्छा अभी बोल रही है, मजाक ही कर रही होगी. So that is one thing that comes naturally to you once you start making memes. The other thing is that there are a lot of times when I do a live session and I'm not as funny as I'm in the videos. People need to understand that there's a difference between being scripted and then being naturally funny, right?
Yeah.
So I can be funny, but if you want me to like crack a joke on the spot, you have to understand that I'm not always in that mindset. Probably there was one live when I just wanted to sit and talk about this one girl that was being raped. There was this one girl who they shot. There was this one case. I was talking about something. Yeah, so I was talking about something serious and somebody in the comments down section was like, why are you discussing serious topics? Crack a joke, talk like Alia Bhatt, make this rant. I was like, are you kidding me? No, I'm not in that mindset to always make memes. I make it, that is for the fun purpose, but keeping that aside, I'm also a normal human being. So can't I talk like general? So that is...
I get it.
This is that... Yeah. Stupid.
वो तो social media का थोड़ा downside हो जाता है. They attach you to the things that you do. मैं भी आजकल बहुत लाइव जाता रहता हूँ. तो मेरे को भी बोला तू ज्ञान क्यों नहीं दे रहा?
What are them to grow up?
हाँ वो तो है. कोई नहीं. Final question of the podcast. Documentaries या films बता दे. 3 films that you are inspired by a lot and life lessons that you would want to share with the audience. ज्ञान दो. ज्ञान चाहिए.
The first life lessons, I'll start with life lessons because I'll have to think about the movies and documentaries I've watched. Okay? So the life lesson I can give that start acting on your plans, otherwise somebody else will hire you to act for theirs. Now I had this girl in school who I told that I'm going to do this social media thing, and as soon as 12th ended, first she was telling me that tu science hai, you can't do it, you know, humanities and commerce people do it, did sorts their schedule more. And as soon as the 12th ended, now she started her channel before I did. And I was so triggered that, you know, this was my idea and I told her and she was discouraging me at that point. And as soon as it ended, she started first. So I do act on your plans and don't tell them to anybody. That is one life lesson. And movies and documentaries that inspire me. Okay, so Love Aajkal is one movie that inspires me because old school romance. Stop being casual in life, guys and girls. Get into something serious because you'll eventually realize that you're not to be taken that lightly in life, that you're available to all. Second, that is a very good piece of advice. I'm talking very motivational. I feel like the biceps.
काफी mature.
The other life lessons. What podcasts? I watch Raw and Real now sometimes because I'll come in the second part to it. So learning. So guys, watch me and Raw, promoting, and what else? Yeah, what movies? Bhai, I just realized Bollywood has zero motivational movies. What the hell? Motivational movies are not motivational. Like, what do you learn from Sultan? Work as a wrestler. What do you learn from Dangal? Work as a wrestler. What do you learn from 3 Idiots? Go against your parents. Arey, fuck it. Okay. No, but 3 Idiots is... No, 3 Idiots is quite a misleading movie though. There's some people who are like, we want to be a photographer. They quit engineering for it, and then they realize that they only wanted to be a photographer because they didn't want to do engineering. Like, photographer नहीं बनना था, बस उससे भागना था, इसलिए बनना था. So it's misleaded people to do a lot of things. I think Bollywood movies teach you bullshit. 3 Idiots is bullshit. YJSD is bullshit. All the super hits are bullshit. Bajirao Mastani is bullshit. What does it teach you? You have 2 wives. No, they call Bajirao Mastani a love story, but you don't realize that that boy has 2 wives. How can you be loyal when you have 2? It's so misleading now. I'm gonna stop watching Bollywood. But okay. Yeah, Tandav, I watched that series. Na, it is totally something.
मत बताना मैं देख रहा हूँ अभी 3 देखे मैंने
opinions. That is what it's taught me. Life lesson for the day. Never give your political opinions in India.
Got it.
You saw how he reacted. Don't tell me.
अभी 3 एपिसोड ही देखे हैं मैंने, तो अभी तक के तो इतना खास नहीं लगा, पर ठीक है, देखते हैं कैसा है, आगे देखते हैं.
Anyway, not bad ना. Why are on it?
क्या?
That is why you were telling me to not talk about it.
क्या FIR?
Yeah.
नहीं पता, मैंने सुना नहीं मैंने.
You remember the first episode that the politicians were trying to create a disparity between Muslims and Indians?
हाँ.
है ना? So they raised an objection on it ना. Then secondly, JNU वाले students raised an objection that how could you show a student making out with a teacher in the library? That's not something we do in our college. So there are 2 FIRs on Tandav now.
So ये भी तो और आएंगे. I'm hopeful. Anyway, so before the podcast, I thought that Yashvi has a very fun Bollywoody, energetic vibe. वो तो है ही, but at the same time, I feel that Beauty with Brains वाला scene चल रहा है यहाँ पे, तो काफी strategy, काफी analytical, deceptively काफी did not expect this. So जो भी सोच रहे हैं, I think girls in general are underestimated social media पे.
Bimbo blew up out of luck.
हाँ, लोगों को लगता है एक्चुअली, लोग कहते हैं ना कि लड़की है तो हो जाता है, क्या है उसमें, but that is not true. And Yashvi here is an example. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, what is it, भारी वाला word यार, example का
भारी वाला, tuberculosis is a very bhari word. I would never spell tuberculosis in my school spellathon. Tuberculosis क्या
होता है?
You asked me bhari word, I could think.
मैं भूल गया क्या होता है.
But what is that word? Alpha females, basically.
Alpha females. चलो, you get the point, audience. Now go follow Yashvi on Twitter, Yashvi on Instagram. अगर तुम्हें यशवी से बातें करनी तो Twitter पे करना, Instagram पे तो बहुत DMs हैं. So that's a hack I can give you. और हाँ, YouTube चैनल जाके सब्सक्राइब कर दो, link in the description. Thank you Yashvi for coming.
Thank you for having me.